Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's start. First, open your favorite web browser and visit the official Cisco Networking Academy website, or just Google for NetAcad. Click on the very first link. So, on NetAcad, only registered users can download Packet Tracer. So if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's free and quick. Click on the login button at the top right corner. If you are new, select sign up and fill in your email, password and basic details. Once registered, log in with your credentials. I already have an account, so I'll be using that to log in. Once you are logged in, you'll see your My Learning tab. In this, since I've already enrolled into this course, I do see it here. But for you, you can search for Cisco Packet Tracer. And it will take you to this course page. As I've said, I've already enrolled, so I have this resume course button. You may have something different. Click on this. And in the very first module, you'll see that if you scroll a little bit, there's a section which says download Cisco Packet Tracer. I click on this link. It will open a new tab in my browser. I have to scroll down a little bit where I can see 3 versions of Cisco Packet Tracer, each pertaining to a particular OS. Mine is Windows, so I click on Windows. And the download may begin. Based on your internet speed, it can take anywhere between few seconds to few minutes. Once it is done, I'll click on Open File. Now let me minimize and focus on the installer. Click on I accept the agreement. It is asking me now for the installation directory. I would like to keep it as default and click on Next. I've chosen every default option and now it is installing. I would have to wait until it gets done. Shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds. Alright. At the very end, you see Launch Cisco Packet Tracer checkbox. I'll keep it as it is and click on Finish. As it gets started, there will be few options that you may see, and we would like to keep them all as default again. So Cisco Packet Tracer needs you to sign in, and for that it needs some internet connectivity. So I will click on Allow, and then on this page I'll log in with my NetAcad account. Moreover, since I'll be using this very often, I will tick this where it says keep me logged in for 3 months. Now I'm using my NetAcad account to sign in the Packet Tracer. It is taking longer than usual. I would actually close this and would restart the Packet Tracer. I guess there are some issues with this NetAcad login. Let's go with this green button. And there you go. Our Cisco packet tracer is installed. So in our next video, I'll guide you through setting up a basic home network in packet tracer. Using a wireless router, a PC, a laptop, we'll cover how to add each device, connect them wirelessly and via cable, configure network settings, and ensure all devices can communicate, just like in a typical home environment. Thanks for watching.